This video shows how to use USB cable connect ACDP to device with cell phone or PC. We have 3 different connection cables for Android/iOS and PC. Power on the ACDP to device. Android connection way. Use Type-C cable connect ACDP to USB interface to the Android phone/pad S charging port. Open ACDP app. Click on Close button. Check the box and click OK. When the device ID is displayed in the upper right corner, it means that the device has been successfully connected. iOS connection way. Use Lightning cable to connect ACDP to USB interface with iPhone/iPad's Lightning port. Open ACDP app. When the device ID is displayed in the upper right corner, it means that the device has been successfully connected. PC connection way. Use USB cable to connect ACDP to USB interface and PC USB interface. Open PC ACDP to software. Click the Settings button in the upper left corner of the software. Click PC bound to ACDP to device. Select your device ID. Click the back icon to return to the software home page. When the device ID is displayed in the upper right corner, it means that the device has been successfully connected. Thanks for watching.